Hi, I'm Bester. I'm going to introduce my 350 project, and my project name is Chinese Food Delivery Web Application. And what could we do by using this web application? And we can use this application to achieve most important functions like you do in other food delivery application like to skip the dishes. And we can log in and log out. We can choose restaurant, and also we can scan restaurant information to find our the fun food we like. Also, we can use the searching function to search for the restaurant we like to order the food. When you choose, after you choosing the restaurant, you can find the food you like by choosing classes. Once you got a food you like, you can add the food to the shopping cart. And also you can delete the food from the shopping cart. And for my web application, it contains several sub-modules like restaurants, food, and user management, and shopping cart, things like that. And I use Vue and ES6 and Webpack and more popular and new technology to develop my application. And I use a modular engineering and componentization pattern to finish that. Now I will introduce some technologies that I use in my application. And this application based on the front and back end separation. For the front end technology, I use Vue, Vuex, and the Vue router and Webpack and ES6. For the backend technology, I used Node Express, Mongo database, Mongoose. For specifically technologies that I use in order to solve the cross-origin resource sharing problem, I use proxy server, and I use mock.js, uh, and I use EX7, the async await. For the Ajax request, I use Axios, and I use Beta Crew and Sweeper. For the Vue mobile UI, I use Mint UI. To load the image, I use Vue Lazy Load. And also, uh, when I use the picture verification code and phone verification code in the login and register part. Here is the application interface display. And now I'm going to guide you how to operate my food delivery web application. Before I start, you must make sure that you set up the node environment in your computer, and you must set up the Mongo database, and you must make sure you start the relative Mongo database service. So let's go to the source code folder. Click the source code folder. You can find there are 4 folders here. In order to open our application, we must start with the server final, and then we go to client final. Let's click this folder and then open the terminal. Sorry. Type npm start. Then you start the server and go back to the client's final. Same thing. Open the terminal. Type npm start and start the client. And the application will start automatically, like you see. Look like this. And this is the home page for the application. And you can switch to other page like search page, track order page, and user management page. And this user page, you can log in and register from this page. Click here and you can register and log in. Just type a name you like and type the password. You can see the password you type. And don't forget to type the verification code. AQYN. AQYN. You log in. And you can also log out. Press yes. Then you can log out. Just use the main UI here. Let's log. Oh, you don't need to register first and log in then because I combine the register and login together. It means you just type the name and the password. You you don't need to register. What? What? Oh, okay. This is the track order page, but I didn't finish that because it is really complex. When you it used when you finish a order, you want to track the information about your order, get the situation, then you can click this button and find some information about your current order situation. But it didn't achieve at this time. Here is the searching function. You can just type a name you like type name restaurant you like, and find that. No, it i- it is really convenient. And for the home page, as you can see, this is the class. You can find the class for the restaurants that you can choose to find the restaurant you like, and you can also uh, scan the restaurant here and click the restaurant you like and got the restaurant information. Here you can get the restaurant information, what the restaurant is about, and what is the restaurant phone number and the restaurant address, the work time for the restaurant, and the picture. Also, you can get the information about the relative activity and service about the restaurant. Wow. Here is the review for the restaurant. You can get the restaurant score here, and you can get the suggestion and some reviews from other people who have ordered food f from this restaurant before. And most importantly, we can order food here. There are there are class here for the restaurant. You can choose a class for the food you like. Once you find a good, once you find the food you like, you can check the picture here to make sure that it is you like, that is the food you want, and you can add it to the shopping cart like this. Press here, then it will be add to the shopping cart, and you can add the other food. It all will showing the shop cart. Once you don't want to order this food, you can also delete that, and you can also clean the shop cart by click this button and press yes, then the shop cart will be empty. And this is all for my Chinese food web application. Thank you for listening.